Good afternoon, everybody. Yagil here from Keys on Wheels. Today we're working on Skoda Kamiq 2023. This is bought from the dealership as a second-hand car. The customer had an original key, and we've got another genuine key from the dealer, which we have programmed it using our Volkswagen Skoda dealer tool, genuine dealer tool. So that's the original key that's working, and that is the new one that we have just programmed right now, all brand new. We'll take the keys out. This is key number 1. All working. And key number 2. All working. Thanks for watching and have a great day.